This jerk chicken is flavorful, perfectly spiced and smoky all in one. Jerk chicken is a popular dish in Jamaica and throughout the Caribbean and is perfect for a long weekend barbecue. Check this out. Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed already, click on that subscribe button. And while you're there, if you hit on that bell icon, you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. To kick things off and get that authentic flavor to our jerk chicken, we're going to bring the marinade together in the mixer. We're going to start by adding half a white onion, which we have coarsely chopped. I'm going to add that to the jar. And to that, we're going to add 4 medium-sized scallions. Just going to cut it down a little bit. We're going to add this to the jar. And to that, we're going to add a small bunch of parsley. Just going to chop that up to just a little bit before we add it to the bowl. Now for that authentic flavor and heat, we're going to go in with 2 Scotch bonnets. And these are really spicy, so be careful when cutting them. You could use gloves if you wanted. I'm just going to be a little bit careful and catch it only on the outside. I'm going to carefully add it in with the rest. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of thyme, and we're using fresh thyme here, but you could always use the dry one. Just going to take off the leaves from that. I'm going to add this with the rest. And for some earthy flavors, we're going to go in with 1 inch of fresh ginger. Just going to chop it up into smaller bits to help the mixer out. Let's add that in. And 4 medium-sized cloves of garlic. We're going to coarsely chop once again. Now let's add that in too. To that, we're going to add 6 cloves, 2 star anise, 1/4 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and we're going to go in with 1 tablespoon of allspice, and to that, we're going to add about ½ a tablespoon of coarsely ground black pepper, and about 1 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You could even use a cinnamon stick if you wanted. And to sweeten things up, we're going to go in with 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. It wanted to take a dive in. And for a bit of tang, we're going to add the juice of 1 lemon. Take this out. And add the juice to the jar. To that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons or 1/8 cup of dark soya sauce and 2 tablespoons or 1/8 cup of Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now to bring it all together and help it come to a paste, we're going to add 1/4 cup of water. Wow, look how attractive all these aromatic spices look. And they're going to taste even better when they're blended and all come together. Let's bring our marinade together. And that's what we're talking about. We're going to go in with a mix of chicken thighs and drumsticks for this recipe, and the approximate weight of the chicken is about 1 kilo and 650 grams. Let's prep the chicken before we marinate it. Okay, I've washed it and pat dried the chicken, and we're going to give a few slits on the chicken so that the marinade flavors the meat. Now with our gloves on, we're going to go ahead and pour some of that marinade onto the chicken. And we're really going to massage it in so that the chicken gets well coated with the marinade. Now that we're done marinating, we're going to preserve the remaining so that we can baste it on the chicken while it cooks. Oops, I nearly forgot to add in the salt. I should have added it in before the marinade, but better late than never. We're going to go ahead and add the salt now. Just going to give it a generous helping. Just going to give it another massage so that the chicken gets a chance to absorb the salt as well. Jerk chicken is best marinated overnight, but since we're in a pinch for time, we're going to marinate it for 4 hours and then cook it on the barbecue. I'm out in my backyard on the deck, and I fired up the barbecue to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to cook the chicken on the barbecue. If you don't have a barbecue, no problem. You could cook it in your oven, on the stovetop, or even in an air fryer. Now let's go and place the chicken on the barbecue. We're going to place the chicken one piece at a time, skin side down. And because our barbecue is nice and hot, we can hear that sizzle. Now let's flip it over and sear it on the other side so we lock in all those juices and get that lovely succulent chicken. Wow, this color looks so amazing, and more color means more flavor. I find that cooking jerk chicken on the barbecue helps to get that authentic smoky flavor. We're going to use some of that reserve marinade to baste the chicken while it's still cooking, and this is going to enhance the flavor of the chicken. Once the chicken has seared on both sides, we're going to lower the heat and allow it to cook. We're going to flip it from side to side while basting it so that the jerk chicken absorbs all the flavor. And I've basted it and flipped it about 3 to 4 times during the cooking process. Our chicken is looking ready, but let's test it with a thermometer. If it reaches 165 degrees at the thickest portion of the chicken, it's done. And we are ready to take it off. We're going to transfer this into a dish, cover it up, and leave it to rest for about 10 minutes before we plate it. We're going to plate this on a black slate board with some lemon wedges. Oh my goodness, look at that. And now it's time to give our jerk chicken a taste. I'm going to go right in with my fingers, and I'm going to take this one. Wow. This chicken has got just the right hint of spice and a tangy taste. And when you bite into it, you get that lovely smoky flavor. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you want the full written recipe, log on to my website, platingitwithwendy.com. Thanks for watching. See you soon.